How to transfer Dogwifhat token from Bitget to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of the Dogwifhat token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account and tap on assets. After that, tap on deposit and now tap on deposit crypto. So after that, what you need to do in the search bar, type WIF, and after you find your token, now just click on it. After that, what you do, select the Solana as a network, as you can see here, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go back and open the Bitget app. And now after you open the Bitget app, make sure to log into your account and tap on asset. From the top bar, as you can see here, select the spot. And now as you can see, click on withdraw. And now from the search bar, you can type the token name. In this case, it will be WIF. So after you find your token, now just click on it. And now as you can see here, click on on-chain withdrawal. So wait a few seconds to load this page to be able to send your token from your account on Bitget to Bybit. Now provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account and select this Solana network. There is only one. And now you can type the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, type what you want to transfer and now click on withdraw, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer Dogwifhat from Bitget to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.